Hey guys, it's your girl El Janae and I'm back with another video. As you guys can see, I have half of my face already done, and today's theme is black like my soul. Just kidding. But no, the theme is all black everything today. So I'm doing a smoky eye, and that's what I got going on right now. So I did one eye off camera and I did my full face off camera, so now I'll just do one eye on camera. So let's just go ahead and hop right into this video. And if this is your first time here visiting, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Number one, like this video, share this video, comment below if you have any questions. And yeah, so let's get right into it.
Pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want. Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you. Lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Time we know it's all done. Take a bow, you win. Oh, swim against your tide, it keeps pulling me in. We fight and we fall, can we rise through it all till we find what we want? Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Though I've tried, I just keep falling all over again. And our hands are tight, can fight it. Can we go through this again? We fight and we fall, can we rise through it all till we find what we want? And we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. You got me lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars you left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want. Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Lost in the moment. Nowhere left to run. Oh, trying to bide our time. We know it's all done. Take a bow, you win. Oh, swim against your tide, it keeps pulling me in. We fight and we fall, can we rise through it all till we find what we want? Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment.
voila, here is the finished look. Tell me what you guys think. So yeah, all black everything, and everything that I used in this video I will definitely list down below. On my lips I have the Kandi Coated Cosmetics lipstick in the color Illicit. No, this is not Stunning Paint by Rihanna and Fenty Beauty. This is Kandi Cosmetics. No, I'm not being paid for this, but I do love this black lipstick. It's matte, but it doesn't feel matte. It stays on pretty much all day. It doesn't go anywhere. And then I also have another color. It is Rich Cocoa. Love this one, by the way. I wear that one every day. It's a really nice brown color. Let me show you guys. But yeah, check her out. She got some good stuff. So yeah, all black everything. What y'all think? Is this cute or not? Oh, let me make sure I got it on my teeth. But yes, be sure to like, share, and comment on this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, El Janae, and I'll see you guys next time. Deuces.